Daniela, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Love Me TikTok trend, which is really popular. But before we get started, it would be amazing if you could just subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's get started with the first move. The first thing we're going to do is a whoa, and then with both our hands we're going to go 1, 2. So whoa, punch, punch. And then we're going to clap, but instead of clapping like this, we're going to clap and our hands are going to go up, just like that. So it's going to look like this. 1. Once again, 1. Perfect. Now let's do it from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, clap. Okay, so after we clap, we're going to put our hands like in this position. They're going to be crossed. And then our right leg goes in front of us and we're going to twist it twice, just like that. So for the beginning, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, clap, twist, twist. Okay, so after the 2 twists, we're gonna do like a small circle, and then we're gonna stop at the middle and go back. So just like that. It's called the jig, but we're gonna do it only once instead of twice. So just like that, and then we're gonna go back. And our hands go towards us and back. Once again, 1. Once again, 1. Perfect. So after we do this, we're going to put our left hand just like this with our palm facing up, and then our right hand, we're going to put it on top in this position. And then we're going to go to the left, to the right, to the middle. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. 1, 2, 3. Clap, twist, twist, 1, and left, right, middle. Okay, so after this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go, we're gonna put both our hands in fists, and then they go down and then up slowly. And when they go up, they're gonna do like a small circle, just like that. So 1, and then we're gonna put both our hands together, and we're gonna do this wave twice. So to do the wave, I want to explain really quick how to do it. Basically, you're gonna lift your elbow. It doesn't really matter which side you start with. And then you're gonna lift this part of your arm. You're gonna lift your wrist. And then you're gonna lift your fingers. And then the other wrist. And then the elbow, and you go down. At the beginning, it might look hard, but you just practice it first, slow and everything. And then you can go faster and faster. And we're gonna do it twice. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Perfect. Let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. 1, 2, 3. Clap and twist, twist. 1 and 1, 2, 3. 1. And then the wave. Wave, wave. So after the wave, we're going to do the fake walk. So basically, we're going to put both our legs together, but our right leg goes back a little bit, and then we're going to... So to fake walk, basically we have to bend one leg at a time, just like that. And then since you're feeling from here or even higher, then it's gonna actually look like you're walking on one place. And then for your hands, just do as if, like how you would normally walk, do the same thing with your hands. So basically it would look like this, your normal speed, and you're gonna go a little bit slower for the TikTok. And then when we walk, we're gonna point forward, just like that. Okay, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So after we point forward, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our finger on our cheek, and then we're gonna just push our cheek to the side so that we move like our face and face towards that way. So just like that. 1, and then move our elbow, just like that. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Perfect. Now, right now it might look like it might not look that clear, but when you watch the actual TikTok, when you do the dance, it will look good, I promise. So let's do it from the beginning and we'll move on. 1, 1, 2, clap and twist, twist. 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And then after this, walk, 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 1, 2. So after we do this, we're gonna do the slide. So basically it's gonna look like this. 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. So it's basically just two steps to the side. We're gonna step to the left with our left leg, to the right with our right leg. And for our hands, they're just gonna slide and then slide. That's it. So 1, 2, and then for the last move, we're gonna step forward with our right leg and our hands just go down. And that's it, that's the last move. So we're gonna go from the beginning twice. First we're gonna go slow, then fast, and we're done. So first let's go slow. Let's go. Whoa, 1, 2, clap, and twist, twist. 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave, wave, walk, walk, point, head, elbow, step, step, wave. That's it. Now the same thing but faster. Let's go. Whoa, 1, 2, clap, and twist, twist. 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave, wave, walk, walk, point, head, elbow, step, step, wave. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye!